At the National Air and Space Museum and at the FAA, one of our top priorities is reaching out to the younger generation of aviators. Aside from the artifacts that bring aviation and space history to life, the National Air and Space Museum's interactive exhibits and educational programs foster curiosity and allow children to engage with scientific concepts hands-on. If you can't get there in person, their website offers many exciting resources as well. The FAA also provides videos and online opportunities, along with several outreach programs designed to stimulate interest in aviation and connect students of all ages to aerospace careers. By encouraging students to explore their passion for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, we're building the next generation of aviators.